What's up, guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to go from this dingy yellow lighting situation to this. And that was only the front light bulb here. I haven't even done the back ones yet. But that's pretty dramatic, isn't it? And this is all three of the bulbs swapped out. As you can see, it's quite a bit brighter than it was before. The only tool that you're going to need is a screwdriver, or for me, I actually prefer using these soft plastic trim removal tools, because the plastic here is softer than a screwdriver. It's not going to damage the plastic pieces in your car. Let me show you how you can take this stuff apart. To get to the light bulb underneath the rear view mirror, pry off the cover. Then you're just going to pull out the old bulb and then replace the new one. If you're using LED bulbs, these are often polarity sensitive, which means it matters which direction you put them in. If you put them in, it doesn't light up, just flip the direction and it should work properly. To get to the light bulbs behind the driver and passenger seats, you're going to want to gently pry down from the off position. So that's the circle on the label there. And then you're going to insert a skinny tool in there and press gently to release a spring. Once the spring is pressed in, the whole unit will come out pretty easily. And then you can just press in 2 tabs and remove the entire light fixture from the car. This makes it a lot easier to replace the bulb. From here, you're just going to use 2 thumbs and press the door up, and then that'll give you better access to the bulb and you can swap it out that way. To replace is just reverse of the first. You're going to click in the connector to the housing, and then this is a good time to make sure you have the polarities correct. So try to turn it on and see if the bulb lights up. If it doesn't light up, take it out and replace the bulb the other direction. Then you can just pop it back into the ceiling. To change the light bulbs inside the doors, I use a wider tool to pry off the cover. And then you can remove the lens by hand and replace the bulb there. Finally, we have a couple lights underneath the sun visors that are activated by the vanity mirror. Here, pry down gently, push in a spring, and you can remove the entire housing. Alright guys, that's pretty much it. Super simple, but makes a big difference. If you are interested in the light bulbs or the tools that I use for this job, I'm going to post links in the description. And also, as always, if you have any questions, post in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button because it'll help other people find it too. And I'll see you guys next time.